Hi, my name is Ken Foreman, and I'm the lead pastor at the Cathedral of Faith Church in San Jose. And first of all, I want to say, Johnny Clark, you rock. And I'm so glad that the students have plugged into your program that are helping them to become the very best version of themselves, because God has a dream for each of our lives. And God is a God of fresh starts. In Psalm, we read, God gives a hand to those who are down on their luck. He gives a fresh start to those who are ready to quit. So thank you for plugging into that program. And I'd love for you to come out and check out one of our church services. We have 2 services on Sunday morning at 9 and 11 o'clock. And we have a lot of programs that are here to build people up, to help them find and follow the dream that God has for their lives. And so any way we can serve you, boy, we're here for you. We really are. And I look forward to hopefully one day meeting you, whether it's here at church or out there at your location. And I'd love to see you and just want to cheer you on. Keep up the great work. Great days ahead.